Alright guys, what is up? Jake here. Alright. Let me just pull up my chat quick. $14 people? Alright. Don't hate that. Alright, so we've got Mega Absolute Sapphire. And oops. Alright. So we're gonna move these guys off to the side. We'll start with the Mega. Hope you guys are having a good night. Like with all the other ones, base packs. Dude, Papadocalypse. Polkadoctopus. Okay, we got Wander Franco Mojo, Luis Garcia, AJ Puck, Joe Adell, Nolan Jones. Got a Casey Mize, Joe Ryan, Victor Mesa for the Marlins, Cody Hose, and Logan Davidson in those mojos. Alright, so not much to write home about there. But we got the Absolute Baseball. 4 autographs, 2 memorabilia per box. 2 mini boxes per main box. This case has been really good. I would say. Do you guys enjoy Absolute Baseball? Because I did. I loved it. I loved all of Absolute Baseball. Even my 8-bit break that I did of Absolute Baseball. I enjoyed the shit out of this stuff. Alright, so the 2 off the back. So we've got Alizé, rookie roundup. Absolute Legends, Billy Martin for the Yankees, Sandy Alcantara, Josh Bell, Ketel Marte, Babe Ruth Yankees. And we've got a Manny Machado. It's going to be numbered to 199 for the Padres. So Machado to 199. Put that on top of there. And our first hit. Going this way. Number 2, 75 pitcher. Kwang Hyun Kim. Kwang Hyun Kim for the Cardinals. That's going to be like the pink Mother's Day ball stitching. I love these cards. These sweet spots. Cardinals is going to be Rhonda. Look at that, Rhonda. Nice card to... Nice auto to 75 to start us off here. Sleeve up this Machado quick too. Alright, next hit. We're going Donnie Walton. I think that's Rays. Donnie Walton to the, I think, Rays. Tools of the trade. Oh, Seattle. No, I was wrong. Seattle Mariners. Donnie Walton. 1, 2, 3 base, and then a big patch there. That's numbered 71 of 75. Going to the Mariners and Jay Stoll. Same old J. So Donnie Walton going to the Mariners and Jay Stoll. And the relic. Ooh, look at that. Mike pulled a base one of these earlier, but how about Yordan Alvarez? 84 of 99. Red parallel for the Astros and Van Phillips. So 3 hits out of absolute, three different people. Not bad. And the Machado went to Mario Dina. So 4 different people. Spreading the love out a little bit there. Alright, so 2 off the back. 1-2 punch. Chris Sale, Eduardo Rodriguez. Rookie roundup, Dustin May. DeGrom. I'm going to put that DeGrom on the back then. Ramon Laureano. Andy Uhar. Gleyber Torres. And we've got a Cody Bellinger that's going to be numbered to 199. So Cody Bellinger and the Dodgers to 199. Dodgers is going to be Dylan Berry. We're going to flip this over here. Put the Bellinger there. And I always do these upside down. Numbered to 50, rookie card, TJ Zook for Toronto. So, right team, wrong guy. TJ Zook. Numbered to 50 for the Blue Jays. Blue Jays is also Ronda. So it's like the Father's Day? Father's Day blue to 50. So Ronda getting 2 of those nice looking autographs. Next, we've got hitter, iconic, ink, Andre Dawson to 49. That's going to be Cubs. I don't know if I gave away the other hit by sliding that around. Cubbies. Trash. But that's awesome. Corey Whitby to 49. Andre Dawson. Auto bat relic. So Corey Whitby with the Andre Dawson. Iconic ink. 37 of 49 bat relic. Auto. Sick. Alright, and the relic. Rookie materials. Jordan Yamamoto. Nope. Ronald Bolanos. 37 of 99. It's going to be going to the Padres and Mario Dina. Oops. Alright. There we go. Those reds really pop in person to 99. They're cool looking cards. And then we had the Bellinger to 199 as well for the Dodgers. All right, Sapphire time. I don't know where the auto is. Mike said 3rd pack from the bottom. The last box I opened, it was the 1st pack. The box he opened before was the 2nd pack. We're going to put that one on the bottom because it was the auto last time for me. So good luck everyone here with the Sapphire. We got Astudillo, Freeman, Jordan Adams, and Montero. Brady McConnell, Sixto Sanchez, Short Ridge, Cal Mitchell, Joe Ryan, Adam Hall, Damon Jones, Luis Garcia, Pache, Ronaldo Hernandez, Andrew Vaughn, Jorge Mateo, hey, Tyler Lawrence, have yourself a day, dude. There he is. Jason frickin' Dominguez, dude. I've opened 2 boxes of Sapphire and I've hit 2 Dominguez. Sure, Mike gets Papadopoulos 101s, but I'm 2 for 2 on Dominguez. Jason Dominguez, Sapphire, going to Tyler Lawrence. Julio Rodriguez, Ian Anderson, Cole Wing, Valmont, Miller, Hunter Green, Franklin Perez, we got a purple, Aaron Ashby, Jackson Rutledge to 20 for the Nationals, Daniel Lynch and Tristan Lutz. Jackson Rutledge, 15 of 20 for the Nats. Nationals, Jim Kelshaw. So Jim Kelshaw with the Rutledge Bowman first, Sapphire to 20. And our auto should be in this pack. Looks like we got a green auto. I can see it backwards. What are green autos? 99? Oh, 2 for 2, John Sanders. Oh man, I want to take this card off the top, but I don't want to give away the auto. So an Oscar Gonzalez on the back there. I want to get this Robert sleeved first here. Phil Hughes, I require your assistance. So John Sanders, the Luis Robert. Rookie. Robert. Luis Robert. John Sanders. And are we going this way? Yeah, we're going this way. Green autograph. Cannon Smith, dude, I saw the Yankees helmet. That's going to be 11 of 50. I haven't brought out the Phil Hughes. Hold on 1 second here. There was some like a speckle on the surface. Cannon Smith to 50. So as if the Dominguez wasn't enough, Tyler, you're getting green Sapphire auto of Cannon Smith to 50. There we go, Cannon Smith to 50. So I will sleeve up all of this as well. Would have been Martian if I had remembered Hobby. Dude, nobody reminded me. I'm sorry. I apologize. My stack is dwindling too. I need more Hobby cards. Alright. So, do a quick little recap here. I don't even know why I'm doing this. We're just gonna run it. Alright, so Cannon Smith, recap. Cannon Smith to 50. Bellinger to 199. TJ Zuck to 50. Jordan to 99. Donnie Walton for the Mariners to 75. Andre Dawson to 49 for the Cubs. Roland Bolanos to 99 relic. That's going to be for the Padres. Machado for the Padres. Kwang Hin Kim to 75 for the Cardinals. Jackson Rutledge numbered 15 of 20. Luis Robert. Rookie card Sapphire and a Jason Dominguez Sapphire. So thank you guys all for jumping in. We really appreciate it. Mike and I do a ton. Mike's got another mixer up that's got Bowman Jumbo Box in it. Guys, don't sleep on Bowman Jumbo Boxes. You know, Sapphire's got big money cards, but Bowman Jumbo's definitely has house payment type cards in it as well. So, thank you guys again. We appreciate everything. We appreciate all the spots you guys do, and we'll be back at it tomorrow if we fill some more breaks. So I hope you guys have a great night, and thanks for stopping out.